Dun 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 dun. Today, we're gonna walk you through a project that we're gonna create.
Yeah, that's right, Sassy. You seem very energetic.
That's because this is the 5th frame that you have created, and I am sick and tired of these frames. Can you move on to something else? Like, where's some crane cards? What about some Christmas cards? Christmas is coming. In fact, at the rate you're putting out videos, it's probably already Christmas.
Like I promised Sassy, here it is, folks. This is the last frame that I'm going to create out of the 5 frames that I picked up from Michael's for $1. This is the one I have been holding on to until last. I adore these stamps. Funny Bones by Riley and Company. FBP-020 and RWD-611. This couple and life with you is worth the eternal hellfire that awaits our wicked souls.
Can it get any better than that?
I love it. I'm gonna look through my stamps and see if there's something that I can help set the scene. This with a 50s couple might look really cute with like a faint plaid background. I will see you on the other side. Here's some lovely music.
I know I'm hard to love. I can never get enough. But then sometimes you're too much. I'm down then I'm up. I know I'm hard to love. I know I'm hard to please. I'm never happy it seems. But you put my heart at ease when it's crashing like the seas. I know I'm hard to please. But baby, if it were easy, you know that we would be miserable. And maybe I'm completely crazy, but so are you for loving me so long. And baby, if it were easy, baby, if it were easy, it wouldn't be no fun. I know I'm hard to read. It's like I'm missing pages in me. You think you know the next line, then I change my mind. I know I'm hard to read. I know I'm hard to get to know. I wish I could all go along, but I barely know myself, babe. We'll do it together day by day. I know I'm hard to get to know. But baby, if it were easy, you know that we would be miserable. And maybe I'm completely crazy, but so are you for loving me so long. And baby, if it were easy, baby, if it were easy, it wouldn't be no fun.
I painted the background, then I took the stencil and I stenciled some lines. I thought I was gonna do full plaid on here, but then I decided not to. I've got all my stamps ready to go. I've got stays on jet black ink.
This ink stinks.
I'm stamping this way so that I can make sure that the stamp has ink everywhere. It's down, and I'm just gonna put even pressure on the entire stamp, trying not to rock it. There it is. Here we go. There it is. Ooh, that turned out really good.
Gonna scrub that ink right off of the stamp. I'm gonna scrub that ink right off of the stamp.
I think these are probably too much. I mean, I don't know. Boom, it's done. I don't even know if it needs anything else other than a coating.
Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. So are you gonna let it be?
Yes, the stamps have gone away. They're in their homes.
Darling, my coffee's a little cold. Can you come here and warm it up?
Oh, sure. I'll just come over there and talk a little while, and you'll have all kinds of hot air.
I'm gonna take out the glass varnish and I'm gonna varnish it. So that's it. And I have it signed, put the dowel inside there, and boom. Life with you is worth the eternal hellfire that awaits our wicked souls, Sassy.
Well, it's good to know that there's gonna be a party when we show up.
Yeah, it's gonna be a super hot one. I had a great time creating this, and I'm hoping that you had a good time watching. Thanks for tagging along. Thanks for joining me today. If you want to see what else I create on this channel,
Like acrylic paintings, greeting cards, stamping, die cutting, and recycled art, furniture, all kinds of things, things.
Consider subscribing, because I'd love to have you as a viewer. Until next time, love your guts. Bye!